Hey, good morning, Don here. What a beautiful day, look at that. Except for the price of gas, it's $3.19. We're gonna have a good day today. We're gonna be getting after it. Super Blast is the name. Pumping gas is the game right now. Today we got a very light day. We got a 3-car driveway we're gonna hit this morning. Then we're gonna go to Ameritech and get the trailer welded. It's got a couple little cracks. Gonna get that fixed, and then I'm gonna get a fill up on SH, and that's gonna be about it for the day. It's gonna be a good day, and I can get caught up with some other stuff that I gotta do. Might even go for a motorcycle ride. All right, we'll see you at the job. Let's get after it. All right, you always want to catch it before it gets worse. See that little crack right here? It was cracked on this side as well. So gonna get a grinder to it and re-weld that up so it stays secure. And we'll go ahead and do a walk around and check other beads, but I think that's about it. All right, we'll see you at Ameritech after we get done doing the 3-car driveway, which we'll see how dirty it is, and we'll do a step-by-step process of how I clean concrete. Doesn't necessarily make it the right way, but it seems to work okay. All right, I'm Don. We'll see you at the job. All right, here we are. We're back at the job. Gentleman woke up. We got some pavers to do here. Won't be too bad. We got some weeds over there. All the way to the front door. Right down to there. He doesn't think that's going to come off of there. Is it going to come off? Hell yes, it's going to come off. All right, let's get after it. Oh, we did go down and get the welds fixed. All fixed. Just need to clean them up a little bit. Ameritech was extremely busy today, so no cameras, no time for messing around. I was only there long enough to pick up some chlorine and get the weld done real fast. All right, I'm Don for Super Blast. Let's get after it. Step number 1 and 2 done. Pre-treat and mini Mondu. Look how nice and clean that's coming over there. That'll be before the satisfying rinse and post-treat. All right, now we're going to take the turbo tip and get after these weeds, and we'll be right back. Let's get after it. All right, always remember to keep the turbo nozzle facing down when you start. All right, get up here and get hooked up. Then we're going to get after it. There's not too many weeds up this way here. Just a couple, all right? Hook up the ball valve and get after it. Like I said, I don't see very many up this way. There's one. All right, there's probably going to be a couple more because it's very muddy, but let's get after the satisfying rinse. Super Blast. Let's get after it. right, let's have a look. Finished product, came out nice. Sidewalk was green, black. It looks beautiful, all right? All right, don't forget to leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to be in the drawing, we're about 110 subscribers away from the drawing. It's gonna be coming soon. Make your comments, don't be left out. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. The rest of the week is gonna be pretty busy, so we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, who won at the gym?
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile.
He got me by like 2 seconds today.
2 seconds.
The old man
Gotta get the time in.
beat the young guy.
The old man, how old are you?
Whoa, Don, you don't
You
ask
ever
a
ask
woman that.
his age?
Don't ask a woman his age. Oh, it's Bernadette. Okay, I'm standing out here in front of Ameritech pressure washing, as you can see. And let's go in here. They got some deals for you guys just starting out. You can get a 4-gallon-a-minute machine with a cat pump, gear driven, and you get a free Hammerhead surface cleaner in May Madness. Go ahead and read that right there. Can't beat that with a stick. And we got a full line of chemicals here. Just go ahead and scan by.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Graffiti remover, concrete stain, gutter streaks, rust power, super clean. There's the sticky icky. Lemon. This is my favorite, the pine. This is one of the best for rust removal and aluminum brightener. Then we come over here to the car. Wash and wax, foam cannon soap, glass cleaner concentrate,
Second to top shelf, middle of.
max gloss,
See it, it's green.
yep. Super cherry wash, rapid wax. This is a good wax right here. They're all good. Foam cannons, all kinds of supplies. It's your one-stop shop, Ameritech Pressure Washing. Plenty of machines, array of assortment of surface cleaners, hot water units. Now here's the blue hose. Okay, let's take a look at the blue hose. This stuff lasts for a long, long time. It's Pressure Flex. You gotta get you some. Ameritech will ship just about anything as long as it doesn't have acid in it. They'll ship it out to you. All right. I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Remember, get after it. All right, we need to revisit here. So what have you been doing, Alex? What have you been up to?
Playing with race motors.
What else do you do?
Get after it.
What the hell have you been doing there, buddy? Besides growing a beard, he's getting after it.
There's some white shit going on here.
Oh, look at that. Looks like an old fucking guy.
Get after it way too much.
You look like that guy Dan Aykroyd in the Trading Places. Get after it!
Get after it!
All right, I got me 175 gallons of water in the tank. Now I'm better known as Juan Valdez. All right, let's go look at this little porch, all right? Let's get after it.